Welcome, here I've got Poco M3 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's pick the show grid lines button, which is here. By just one tap we can turn on the camera grid lines and another tap to turn them off. So as you can see, the yellow color suggests us that now they are turned on, and here in the camera preview they appear. This is how they look like, and this is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here to the left corner at the bottom to the gallery, we can see them at the real picture. So the grid lines are only to help us taking better photos, and of course when we don't need this, we can easily go back to the right corner and then tap on this button once again. So for now they have gone in the camera preview. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.